Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. Also, we have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use keyboard shortcuts in Bandlab. So using keyboard shortcuts in Bandlab can easily really speed your workflow. We have the editing ones, which are for slice region, click S. For quantize note, Q. Move playhead or note is the arrow to the left or arrow to the right. Delete region is backspace or delete. Copy region is Control plus C. Cut region Control plus X. Paste region Control plus V. Select all regions is Control plus A. Undo Control plus Z. And redo Control plus Shift plus Z. Transport, we have the play, which is space. Pause, which is Shift plus space. Record or stop recording is R. Set playhead to beginning of project is enter or return. And we have a lot more of them. Of course, you can go and check them all on the internet. So there are a lot of ones that you can also see. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything. Bye guys.